got me feeling too alive. I had to hustle to survive. I ain't scared to fly. I'm reaching for the sky. They tryna make it last. I won't hit the ground, I ain't slowing down. Empire built from nothing with my crew. Gotta wear the crown, that's mine, dude. Ain't no looking back. All the real ones that I rate, I'm just here to elevate. Ain't nobody breaking down. I ain't got no time for no fakes. I'm on top. I don't let these dreams die. Yeah, y'all ever did me wrong, I ain't gonna let that slide. I grind every day, no time for mistakes. I ain't got no time for fakes. Watch me glide, I ain't afraid. Not all these tears that I cried, I roll to the top. Gotta grind every day. Nigga, ain't nothing been changed. I'm on a rise with a fire in my eyes. Never see me fall dodging them fiends. Chasing all your dreams. Chasing for the sky, climbing real high. Keep my circle tight, real small. Chasing that bag all day, y'all. I get it, I got nothing to lose. Staying true to my roots. Yeah, nobody tell me shit. I ain't never gonna quit. I ain't never had it easy. Gotta keep the grind in sight. Keep my future real bright. Hustle every single day and night. I won't let them win. Haters tryna bring me down. I ain't never going down. I'm here to win. Ain't no time to be tripping. Y'all ain't gon' see me slipping. They say they too fly. I'm here to get the wealth. I gotta stay true to myself.